Hello everyone, my name is Shivraj Sanjay Nagare and roll number is 3027. Today I am presenting IS activity 2 of theory of computation subject. So my problem statement is construct a push down automata for L is equal to AI Bj Ck where I is equal to J or J equals to K, and second is construct a push down automata for language is equal to AI Bj Ck where I is equal to J or I equals to K, means number of A is equal to number of B and number of A is equal to number of C. These are the two problem statements, and we need to construct a transition diagram for that. So first see the logic behind this first question where I is equal to J or J is equal to K. So for that, first when we read A on the tape, then we will push that A, and when we read B, we will pop that A. So it will become A is equal to B. So it will become I is equal to J, and when we will read C, we will not do any operation. Second is for J equals to K. For J equals to K, we will do same thing as previous, but here for read A, we will do no operation. For read B, we will push B, and for read C, we will pop B. So it will matches the number of B is equal to number of C. So this is the logic. Now we will draw a transition diagram. First state is Q naught. This is a starting state. For here, first A will comes. Then we and the top of the stack is Z naught. So we will push that A, and after that A will comes, and the top of the stack is A. We will also push that onto the top of the stack. Second, if B is comes, then we will pop that B, and we go to the next step. In the next Q1 state, we will also pop that B, pop that A if B comes. If C is comes, then we will do not do any operations, and in also Q2 state we will not do any operation for when C will comes. Then we will not do any operation. It will top of the stack becomes a Z naught. We keep it as a Z naught, and we will go to the final state. Then for J equals to K, we will do a Z naught and keep it as a Z naught. Means we will not do any operation on the stack. Uh, in our next set we will comes when B, then we will keep it as a Z naught. Means top of the stack is Z naught, and we will push that B on the top of the stack. Then also B in the next state B will come, we will also push that B into the top of the stack. In the next state when C is comes, pop that B, and we will go to the final state. When null is come, we will keep it as it is Z naught, because the stack is empty. Suppose we take one example A B B C C. So it will goes to Q naught to Q1, Q1 to Q2, Q2 to Q3, and it will get accepted. So now we will construct for push down automata for A I is equal to J or I equals to K, means A number of A is equal to number of B, number of A is equal to number of C. For that we will do same as previous one, I is equal to J, and for I is equal to K we will do some changes where read A we will push A, for read B we will not do any operation, and for read C we will pop it. So let's draw transition diagram. This is the same as previous one. We will see it is in previous question. From this J is equal to K, here is something different. For B we will keep it as it is, and when C will comes, we will pop that A which is in the first state. Null will comes, then we will go to the we will not change in a state stack, and we will go to the final state. Here we will take the one example A B B C C, A B B C, and it will goes to Q naught to Q1, Q1 to Q2, and Q3, and it will get accepted. Yes, is this NPDA? So this is a NPDA because here we see in the first state we'll get BA null and BA. There are two options, so this is a NPDA. thank you for your attention.